What's up guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to put text behind a person in a video in Canva PC. So the first thing that we need to do is to add our video to the timeline. For this tutorial I choose a video in which a person is running. Then we want to select it and duplicate it, like so. For the duplicated video we want to remove the background with the background remover function on Canva. Then what we want to do is to go to text and add the heading. We're gonna make the text bigger and we're gonna change the color to white. Then for this I'm gonna write motivated and we're gonna make it bigger. And what you want to do now is to go to position for the text and click on backwards like so. And as you can see now, the text is behind the person running in the video. So guys, this was the tutorial. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Bye bye.